You are watching Curious Nexa Kids.
What do butterflies start their life as? A. Birds. B. Frogs. C. Caterpillars. D. Mosquitoes.
The answer is caterpillars.
Yes, Curious Nexa, you are correct. Butterflies start as caterpillar. Fun fact, caterpillars completely transform their bodies during metamorphosis to become butterflies, a process that can take anywhere from a month to a whole year. How many legs does a spider have? A. 6, B. 8, C. 10.
The answer is 8.
Yes, Curious Nexa, you are correct. Answer, spiders have 8 legs. Fun fact, spiders belong to a group of animals called arachnids, which also includes scorpions and ticks. Unlike insects, all arachnids have 8 legs. Which of these animals can hold its breath underwater the longest? A. Dolphin. B. Sea turtle. C. Crocodile.
The answer is sea turtles.
Yes, Curious Nexa, you are correct. Sea turtles can hold their breath the longest underwater. Fun fact, some sea turtles can hold their breath for several hours underwater. They are able to slow down their heart rate to conserve oxygen. What is the largest mammal in the world? A. Elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Giraffe.
The answer is blue whale.
Yes, Curious Nexa, you are correct. The largest mammal is the blue whale. Fun fact, blue whales are the largest animals ever known to have lived on Earth, even bigger than dinosaurs. Their hearts alone can weigh as much as a car. What do honeybees collect to make honey? A. Pollen. B. Leaves. C. Mud.
The answer is pollen.
Yes, Curious Nexa, you are correct. Honeybees collect pollen to make honey. Fun fact, a single bee would have to fly about 90,000 miles, which is the equivalent of 3 trips around the globe, to make 1 pound of honey.